Hey guys, it's Steph, the Midwest Cowgirl, and today we're gonna get down and dirty with feet. Today my model is Miss Rel. Her full name's Cinderella. She's a good girl, and she's gonna teach us how to clean some horse feet. So it's really important to clean your horse's feet every day or every time you ride, because they can have rocks in their feet, they could have a nail, which happened to one of our horses recently, and they could have a fungus in there. So it's really important to clean your horse's feet out as often as you can and very thoroughly as you can. So I have two different hoof picks here with me. I really like this one because it can get in there pretty deep. It's pretty sharp, that one. And then these ones are nice also because they have a brush on there, so if you got to get some stuff brushed out, you've got the brush on the other end. The way you want to ask your horse correctly to pick up their feet is there's a thing called a chestnut. It's that guy right here. They're on both front legs. And as you can see, I touched it and she already knows to pick up her foot. So you'll see some people squeeze the tendon of their horse's foot. While that might get the job done, you don't want to have to make it uncomfortable for your horse to pick up their foot. This is a way where horses communicate to each other, and you'll see it in the wild or other horses when they're playing. They'll bite each other's chestnuts and they'll pick their foot up. So you're essentially communicating on their level to say, hey, can you pick your foot up for me? And you're not hurting them. Now that we've gone over how to ask your horse to pick up their foot, and sometimes all it takes is to run your hand down their leg and pick it up. Rel's a pro, so she just picks it up for me. And I'm gonna start with, this is the frog here. I'm gonna start in there up at the heel bulbs, and I'm gonna start facing down and push away on each side. And then I'm gonna go to the sole of her foot and push down. And you can add some pressure, you're not gonna hurt them. The only time it might hurt is if they've actually got a fungus, and it usually is in the frog area, and that's why you really wanna clean it out. Rel's got some really deep frogs, so I really have to make sure I get in there and get all the dirt out. And then I start here and I work my way around. And then I get towards the white line area, which is between the wall of the hoof and the sole of the foot. So there is usually in here. So some horses can have a little bit of white line, and Rel's feet look a little weirdly shaped because it's summertime and she stomps a lot. So she stomped off a piece of her foot, but she's okay. It doesn't make her lame. She's all right. I'll get in there. I may use the brush to get in there. And if your horse tries to pull their foot away, like Rel does sometimes, you're gonna wanna hold it, and you can pull up towards their elbow and their belly and kind of hold it there. And then, once you've done it, you can just gently set it down. You don't ever wanna slam their foot down. One thing I see in the horse world is I see a lot of people, they can be a little hesitant to pick up their horse's back leg, and you'll see them stand pretty far away because they're nervous they're going to get kicked. And in reality, you are more safe the closer you are to your horse, because they can't get the wind up to get you. So the closer you are, you actually have more control. The further you are, they can actually have the momentum and actually can kick you. So you're safer back here to lift their foot up, like that. And there's a difference in asking for the hind foot versus the front foot. This is their hock, and again, the way horses communicate, they'll kind of nibble at them a little bit, and they'll pick up their foot. So see how she's already picking up her foot? I squeeze it, play with it a little bit, and she'll pick it up. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you now understand how to clean a horse's hoof and the importance of it. The horse's hoof is the horse's lifeline, so a healthy hoof is a healthy horse. My girl Rel was the perfect model today, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.